Yes, people. Yes, people. Good morning, good night, good evening, good afternoon. Why, what go on? Yeah, man, so, we don't know things that already, We'll go a bush, go look some fire sticks, some firewood. Yeah, and then we go catch up the fire and start the cooking because right now, the stuff them kind of frozen because we buy the lobster them. We buy a whole bunch of lobster last night, some live one. But we had to put it on the ice just to make sure it's good for the morning. Yeah, so we go catch a wood fire, light it up, do some brown stew chicken or something like that, and also some grilled lobster, maybe some fried fish or brown stew fish. I don't know exactly what we're going to do with it yet, but we're going to do something with it and make sure so enjoy the whole cooking process. Is me, I say? So don't go nowhere, keep watching, and I'll see you in the next clip. Yeah, we just look for the dry firewood them right now because some of them might be a little bit damp because rainfall yesterday, I think. But I'm going to get some right now. This look dry. Let's see if it's dry.
Down there.
Yeah, this look dry, man.
This is turmeric. Just saying, food all around. If you don't know, that's the chef right there, Keegan's Kitchen. Go check him out on YouTube. Big dog.
Dry wood this,
Dry wood, that's perfect.
That's it, so we'll use some of the mango wood and also some logwood and them thing there, whatever we can find.
Logwood don't hold the fire.
Yeah, the logwood have more, we call it, solid thing in it, Oh, yeah. And I think money to have some on their shop,
So we'll use that too.
So we'll use that too and combine them with enough wood so it can last. You understand?
Fire can last.
Yeah, the man dry one. Right. What else? Road, we say, Yes, guys, so we have enough firewood to catch the fire. Just to start it off. We're going to need some more still, We're going to need more, but...
We need some 2 big stones.
Yeah. Because, by the time you like this, it burn out.
Yeah, we're going to need more.
So we need more than this.
This is it, right.
So if we carry it up and come back.
Shout out to the cameraman.
Yeah. Big up on yourself. How spot we are cook up here, so?
Yeah.
Pan like a cliff. Why yo? You know, see one leap of bush in the yard, one chop down. Right, this is a nice spot here. And shady.
Yeah.
No cow shit up here, so man.
Cow shit right there, sir.
Over there, so. Well.
Fuck, side boy.
What's that? I say, man, chop, what you mean? Show them. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, a Tarzan. Yeah. Right now, guys, we have some fish, some grunt. We'll scale them up and then clean up the chicken them and put the lobster on the grill and all them things there. Is it? Yeah, man. Everything plug in, nothing plug out. Yeah. Right there, so. Yeah, man. That. You see, guys. So, let me say, we'll scale them up, clean them up, and then once everything ready, we're making see what I go on. You see it? Yeah, man. So we just go match up this real quick, the chicken. I might do it fry, I might do it stew. I don't know yet, but. So add some all-purpose to it, And then we go cut up some scotch bonnet pepper in it. You see it? So them pretty. Real scotch bonnet pepper, people, what say? Yeah. Yeah, me just go fry it and cook it down, Fry and cook down. Them type of thing there. You see me I say? Fry and cook down in the place. Yeah. You understand? Yeah, man. Smells so good. So freaking good, guys. And you're not even done season up yet. So right now, I just have scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to look for some scallion real quick. Thyme or so I can find in our kitchen. If I can't find anything, I add to it and fry it and cook it down. And then we go add some water, some ketchup, some tomato, and make it go and simmer. You see it? real outdoor style, bushman style, yardman style. Yeah. We just work with what we have right now. See it there? See it there, people? Yeah, man. Real deal. All right. So I'm going to clean up my hand real quick and then forward back into the place. And I'll see you in a bit. Keep watching. Yeah, man. So today we are going to scale up the fish. Some small grunt still we get last night at the store, you know, supermarket. So we'll deal with some, whether you want it brunch. You want the brunch too? Or you want, I know you don't want no fry fish. Because that's just too bland. Or you want it fried. We can't fry it, not true? Deep fry. All right. All right. Deep fry, you know? Or we can curry them. I'll be a curry me I eat for a week still, you know? Curry chicken, curry fish. Me curry fish on Sunday dinner. That's it. With some curry chicken, so. I don't mind still. I don't mind the curry or brunch too. Whichever one. Yeah. So I'll deal with that and we'll do some grill roast lobster, Jamaican style, yardman style.
Ah.
Is it? Not normal. Yes, me I say?
Yeah, me, man.
Yeah. And we have about 12 chicken there, somewhere around the place. Yeah. We have about three pounds of chicken we have. And I know a whole bunch of chicken because it's not a lot of us and we just do it for content purposes and also a little lunch / breakfast in my belly, you know? And stomach. Yeah, so. That's that way I deal with. Yes, me I say? Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, man, that's that way I deal with people. The man complain already saying hungry. Prime time land say, yo, hungry dog. Yeah, man. That's how I go still. Hey, me eat my breakfast earlier morning time still, no? Earlier morning time, people. But I'm hungry right now, man, but, you know, we have to put in the work right now still. Scale the fish, them have about 10 left. The scale them kind of fine, so yeah, take a little bit longer to come off than expected. After I wash them off, guy, we'll just wash them off with some vinegar, you know?
Yeah, big aki.
Boss, go look for aki.
You know, so we could have cooked some aki, but we have time for this. Can't climb a tree, you know.
Hey, and I like before, you know, when you were young, you know, you're heavier now.
Yo, me young.
So you know, want to go past some limb and you go broke with you. You see it? Eh?
Yo.
No, you not cook no food. So lagwood down there, you know. Lagwood hood there right down the road, so.
Hey, people, it's been a while.
Yeah,
but
man.
We're bringing it back, though. We're bringing it back.
Bringing it back, you know. This is the old school outdoor cooking, you know, Jamaican tradition, man. You know, back in the days, you grew up eating off a wood fire and everything there. You know, we had to look at one firewood and all them something the people. Like you know, so all this stuff right now is second nature to us, you know. You see me I say, carry the flour, come! Yeah, man, so we're just going to add some kerosene oil to it, guys. Just to speed up the lighting process of this whole thing. See it, you know. I just thing in the light, you see it. You know, I'm going to blaze like that type of thing, man. Yeah, and I say blaze. Yeah, people, so more fire right now, you see it?
The fire burn the whole of them.
Yes, people, so right about now, we'll season up the fish, them, you know? Season up the fish. Then we're going to bust the lobster tail them in two. Well, the whole lobster, them, and clean them up and thing, and, you know? Quick and fast. Make them see what I go on there, Andrew. Season it up just like that, you know? You know, see if you add in the scotch bonnet, them, you know? You can't just leave it blank like that. Add in the scotch to them, same way. You know them style there. Got some green onion, scallion. You see it. Add in a little bit more. Let's put the tomato them around go. Drop them in it. Add in a little curry now. When you do curry, you add curry. Don't be afraid to add the curry. You see it. So we just go and wait for the aisle, you know. Go and wait for the aisle. So we can put on the pot on the fire and start the whole cooking thing. Yeah, man. That'll go on, that'll go on. So we'll make that sit down for you a little bit. Chicken ready, fish ready. I just the lobster then we will bust open right now. And everything ready. You see me I say? Come in with the island though.
Fresh too. Yep.
Fry and cook down, you know? Not too much oil tonight.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? And then for your fry fish.
2 pot 1 time, you know.
Whew.
Where's the chef? 2 pot 1? No. This young people hit hard.
It's a small pot land though.
You know that? Yeah. I was just talking to my viewers.
Quick and fast. Try back cooking with the pan, you know. Alright. Just gonna need some water upon this. Yeah, so there's a drop in some tomato in this, you know, guys. Real yard man cooking, you know, outdoor cooking. Nothing fancy, nothing pretty. We just use all the ingredients that we have right now and drop them in it. Yeah, man. Drop it in. Yeah, man, so we are adding some sugar, a little bit of water, and some browning mixed together, you know? Yeah. Bush cooking with the pan today, is it? Now the outdoor. We'll make that go and cook down, is it? And then we'll see what go on. Barely hot on one side. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll cook steam it down. Just to speed it up. Still need more water. I can't bother with the back off.
Where get the water in our kitchen?
Oh, so Slander coming more water there, yeah. Drop in some seasoning. You see it? Well seasoned, you know. Add some black pepper in it same way. I don't want to touch it with my hand because there's some spike pan, you know. I don't want to cut me. Put some curry pan, you know. You know, so curry nice pan, everything. Just like that. Not too much. Not too much, you know. Mix them up again, same way. Yeah, man, so we are cut up some scallion, see me guys. Scallion and some scotch bonnet pepper. You know, for the fried lobster. Yeah, man, so we just go put some oil in the pot, get it super hot, and then we will drop in all of them here inside it with a little water and everything, you know. Make sure it's nicely seasoned, well pepper. Yeah, man. Cool and nice, that's all. Cool shade. Alright, then my boss say. Then say no add no more pepper to it. Hey, hey. Oi, trouble. The Andra. You can't eat it, that's all. Yes, people, we just get the oil ready, season up and everything, you know? Yeah. Fire blaze right now, that me like. Get it a little bit hotter and then we drop in everything same way. Yeah, man, that's how we are dealing with it today. The breeze coming in the right time, you know? The right time.
But the deep fried is good lobster. I don't eat lobster, but hey, they gonna eat it. It's not deep fried.
Not deep fried, but you know, little fry curry cooked done, or fry and cooked done. Cause time I catch up on we, so we don't bother grill them or anything like that. We just go cook them down, you know. No, and drop. Yeah, no, and drop, man.
Alright.
Let them go on cook, you know. Yeah, me now make it turn over, you know, people. Can't afford to make this expensive crustacean get away. You know what I'm saying?
Right, this thing fall over.
Oh yeah, we're still gonna eat it. Yeah, man. So we're gonna make it go on.
That's it, you ready to eat? Pollo.
No, man, you gotta build it one juice, you know.
Yeah.
No more water right now. I'm in Jamaica, guys. Where are you? Panama, Canada, UK. Me I eat some lobster right about now, you know, some spicy fried curry lobster. Yes, you don't find this no other where in the world, no other parts in the world, but Hanover, Jamaica, in my kitchen. Yeah. So make it go and cook, and then we'll see what I go on. You know, lobster don't take any long time to cook, guys. So you see, after it start bubble up and wine like a spice, then everything nice. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. That's it.
You know what I'm saying?
See that? Looking good now, right? Looking good, man. Change color, you know? Become translucent, right, you know? You know? See it there? Smelling good. Lock him down, you know, make him build his own sauce, own juice. You know what I mean? That's that. Yes, guys, so as you can see, the lobster tail them, the whole lobster them cook and ready to go, so we just go share it out on a plate and enjoy. As me I say, it's been crazy, super crazy hot today, guys. I can't even explain, but here we just go and relax in a shade, in a cool shade, and enjoy the moment. As me I say, until next time, we make you know what I go on. So keep watching.